Hello guys, because you asked for, I'm gonna do a comparison test, let's say, Polk versus Denon, Polk Signa S4 versus Denon DHT-S517. So here we see the woofers, the subwoofers as they call. They are featuring a 5-inch driver here. The Polk one is firing towards to the floor. The base, the port is the same way is firing. Has this kind of fit in order to have some height from the floor. So this is the Polk subwoofer. You see the size, and this is the Denon one, featuring the same driver inside, same electronics, but different configuration of the subwoofer, the box I mean. This is more slimmer than the, you see, Denon and the Polk. Denon is slimmer than Polk. Denon is firing in front, from front. So the only difference, one of the differences is this one, that they have different subwoofer. Denon is firing from this way, having the port on the back, and Polk is firing to the floor. As you can see, the difference is quite obvious here. Then we have the sound bars. The sound bars are exactly the same inside. Okay, there are some treatments, acoustically treatments, but in terms of length of drivers, configuration, 3.1.2 drivers the same, everything is the same inside. If you open the box, I have other videos about this, you will see the same configuration exactly. The buttons are the same. The sound bars are not networking ones, they just have Bluetooth. The Denon one has an extra HDMI, as you can see here, extra HDMI for a source, for a gaming console for example. And the Polk one has just one HDMI input, as we said, and the Denon has two. What else? Then we have the remote controls. Here are the remote controls. So the good thing about the Denon one is the pure, this button here. If we press this, then the stereo sound is, it stays stereo sound. It's not up mixing or becoming, you know, multi-channel. So we can press this one, but that feature does not exist in the Polk one soundbar, but all the others are the same. Here says 1, 2, 3, here says low, mid, high, so it's the same thing. It's for the center channel to adjust the volume, let's say, or the EQ from the from the center channel. Then we have movie night and music, movie night and music. You see it's exactly the same, the bass, the input selector. Here we have HDMI extra because there is a second HDMI, as we said, input, second HDMI input. So on the other side, everything is the same. We're gonna have a listening session, both of them, so to check, to see, okay, they sound differently, that's for sure, but which one is the best, it's up to you guys. We're gonna say it later. We have our microphone already set it up. We connect the Polk soundbar with a AudioQuest HDMI cable with a TCL 55 television, and our player is a Sony Blu-ray player. So I'm gonna start recording this. Starting recording this with a microphone, and we'll see the result.
Right now, you're listening to where cinematic audio has been. Because we are so used to hearing sound this way, we don't notice that it is merely a fraction of what its potential could be. But what if sound could be extraordinary again?
Engines are up and burning.
Opening main doors for secondary deployment.
What if sound could be captivating, subtle, authentic? What if sound could be deeper, more dimensional, There's no need to wonder, because you're listening to Dolby Atmos.
That was the Polk presentation. Now we're gonna do the Denon one. We choose the same mid for the standard channel and movie mode. The same TV, same cabling, same power, same everything, same microphones. I'm gonna do now the listening session of the Denon one soundbar.
Opening main doors for secondary deployment.
What if sound could be captivating, subtle, authentic? What if sound could be deeper, more dimensional? There's no need to wonder, because you're listening to Dolby Atmos.
That was the comparison of these two soundbars. They sound almost the same. Denon is more friendly, let's say, to the movies, and Polk is more natural. It has the sound of Polk. These two different soundbars, they are tuned different, even though they are the same soundbars. Thanks for watching. Listen to the recordings.